Hello, so my name is Greg. This is my YouTube channel that I will be making hiking and camping videos on. So we're out here today. I skipped school. Came to New Preston, Connecticut to do this nice trail I've done before a couple times. I did underestimate or overestimate my camera's battery, and it's about to die. This is the lookout part, just this nice rock cliff off with a nice overlook of the field. It's pretty nice. It's a beautiful day today. It was a little cold in the beginning. I kind of over prepared. I brought a lot of layers and I did not need it all. I was in a t-shirt probably within the first 20 minutes. And I just happened to be out here enjoying nature and this beautiful day. I'm gonna make some food and maybe I can record it. We'll see. So my camera died. I just made some noodles. I could have sworn that I packed a spoon, spork, knife thing. It's not there. And I burned some of the noodles because I could not stir them. What I did have though, I didn't know what I was gonna cook, and I had a pot or a pan in my bag already. So I had the handle to the pan, and this works really well. This is getting the job done. Let's taste it. That's fucking good. Look at that. Look at that cheese. That's good. The noodles are just going into the crevice, and it all worked out. Look at that. Kind of tastes a little burnt from some of the noodles got stuck to the bottom and burned, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie that this is not good. This is not good. No, this is not good. I gotta eat it with this pot handle. A little bit more about myself is that I senior in high school, I'm 18, about to graduate. I really love nature and hiking, and I really want to travel and see the world. I also want to be an actor. I think I really like acting, and something I want to do. Next video, I'll be eating a lot better. Let's be sure of that. That was not good at all. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought that would be good. So yeah, I've always been really into hiking. I'm an Eagle Scout. So I've been Boy Scouts all my life since I was 7. I got hot because I was moving again, so shed it to some layers. I've always been into this stuff. Hiking, camping, got in it through Boy Scouts really, I think, and my family, my dad. We have a place in New Hampshire, and we've always vacationed in New Hampshire, and New Hampshire's beautiful. We've gone hikes in New Hampshire, and the White Mountains is beautiful there, and all that stuff. I wish there was more mountains in Connecticut, but you make the best with what you have. And this is one of the nicest trails close to me. It's only 25 minutes away. I've had the idea of starting a channel making videos of hiking and camping a while ago. But I never actually did it. My friend started one before me, taking my idea really. And that's when I was like, I gotta get on this. Try to make a video every week probably. I'll try to probably make some travel videos when I graduate. My girlfriend got me really into like cinematography, movies and stuff. Like she's really into movies and all that, and got me into it too. And I bought my camera that I have. I want to try to make these, you know, camping videos, you know, more of like a story, more cinematic. That cinematography aspect of my videos I like ties back into what I want to do as my career, which is be an actor. I started doing like acting and like musicals and plays when I was like, a little kid, and I always thought it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Like big movies, not even necessarily big, just like good movies. To play a character really well in like a movie like that with a good story, this is really cool to me. Breaking Bad, there's amazing actors in that. My girlfriend likes the director Luca Guadagnino. Probably said that wrong, but his movies are really good. So like just movies like that, like just brilliant movies. Whiplash, I mean, I'm listing like the most popular stuff, but it's good cinema. I think it'd be cool. I think I could do it well. My dreams is to become a actor. I don't really care for the fame of it. I just want to do what I like in the best way possible. Made it down a lot quicker. Probably like 20 minutes. It was like 2 hours going up. I was filming so much. It was ridiculous. Yeah, my dreams, travel the world, be an actor. And I was thinking, you know, having a YouTube channel to show this to people, get out there, do what you love, it'll pay off. So yeah, this channel is just gonna be me traveling around Connecticut, hiking. I'll probably do some hiking in some other states around, and probably some road trips, maybe a trip to Europe. You guys like watching me do these adventures. You know, it's nice. All right, and we made it back down. That was really quick. It's probably up there. There? I think it's somewhere like there or there. One of those two. But a very nice hike. All right, done with the trail. Back in my car now. Got the AC on because it was getting really hot. It was cold when I started at like 8, but now it's like 12, so it's losing. It's getting warm out. It's getting nice. It's springtime. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. And I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you want. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.